Good day everyone, this is Nika Koskos and this is a review on implicit differentiation. We know in implicit differentiation we need to differentiate both sides, and if you see a term that contains with y, we need to differentiate that with respect to x. So our first example, we have square root of x minus y squared equals x minus 3y. The derivative of square root of x is simply 1 over 2 square root of x, and differentiate negative y squared, we get negative 2y dy over dx equals the derivative of x is simply 1 and negative 3 dy over dx. And let us multiply both sides by 2 square root of x. So 1, 2 square root of x times negative 2y equals negative 4 square root of x y dy over dx. Negative 2 square root of x times 1 is equals to 2 square root of x, and negative 2 square root of x times negative 3 dy over dx is equals to negative 6 square root of x dy over dx. Now let us isolate dy over dx here using the additive inverse. We get dy over dx from negative 6 square root of x will become positive 6 square root of x, and here negative 4 square root of x y is equals to 2 square root of x man siya, and from positive it will become negative 1. And then divide both sides by 6 square root of x minus 4 square root of x y, and dripod 6 square root of x minus 4 square root of x y. So cancel out. Ang nabili na lang is dy dx 2 square root of x minus 1 over 6 square root of x minus 4 square root of x and y. So this is the derivative of y with respect to x. Our final answer. Another example. 10x raised to 4 minus 18xy squared plus 10y cubed equals 48. So let's derive this equation. So we have derivative of 10x raised to 4 according to the power rule. We have to multiply 4 times 10x cubed, because minus 1 it will become 3. And if you see a term like this contains x and y, we need to use a product rule to differentiate this term. So we get negative times x times here kini derivative ana 2y dy over dx plus the original form y squared plus 10 times 3y squared according to the power rule na siyang 3 dy over dx equals 0 because 48 is constant. So let us simplify this equation. We get 4 times 10x cubed we have is equals to 40x cubed, and 18 times x times 2y dy over dx is equals to 36xy dy over dx, and negative 18 times y squared we get negative 18y squared plus 10 times 3y squared dy over dx is equals to 30y squared dy over dx. And then let us isolate the dy over dx using the additive inverse. We get negative 36xy dy over dx plus 30y squared is equals to, from positive 40x cubed, it will become negative 40x cubed. Then from negative 18y squared will become positive 18y squared. So arrange lang nato ni to get a clearer answer. Squared minus 36xy equals 18y squared minus 40x cubed. And let us simplify this equation because this is not yet simplified. So divide both sides by 2. So we get 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15, or 3 times 5 y squared. And 36xy divided by 2 is 18, or 3 times negative 6xy. And 18 divided by 2 is 9y squared. And negative 40 divided by 2 is negative 20x cubed. And then let us divide both sides again by 3 square root of 5. 3 times 5 y squared minus 6xy. Then divide ko ni diri ang side. 3 5y squared minus 6xy. And then cancel out. So ang mabili na lang is 9x squared, 9y squared minus 20x cubed over 3 times 5y squared minus 6xy. And this is our final answer. And that's all. Thank you.